Hello and good day, everyone. My name is John Lloyd P. Monteagudo, and I will discuss on why you must act now to stop cyberbullying. In the digital age, the internet has become a double-edged sword. While it offers unparalleled opportunities for connection and self-expressions, it also harbors a sinister threat: cyberbullying. This modern problem has left countless individuals feeling invulnerable, isolated, and helpless. It's time for us to take a stand and demand action to stop cyberbullying. Victims often experience anxiety, depression, and even suicidal thoughts. The anonymity of the internet emboldens bullies, allowing them to inflict pain without witnessing the destruction they cause. The effects of cyberbullying can be long lasting, affecting not only the victim's mental health but also their relationships, academic performance, and overall well being. Cyberbullying is a society problem that requires a collective response. We must work together to create a culture of kindness, empathy, and respect online. This can be achieved through education, awareness, and campaigns and community engagement. Parents, educators, and policymakers must also take proactive steps to prevent cyberbullying, such as implementing strict policies and providing support for victims. By standing together against cyberbullying, we can create a brighter, more compassionate online community. Let's use our voices to promote kindness, empathy, and respect. Let's ensure that the internet remains a place where everyone can connect, express themselves, and thrive without fear of cyberbullying. The future of our online world depends on it.